Assalamu alaikum, my viewers and subscribers. I welcome you to your favorite YouTube channel, Facts and Figures. Before I start my video, I welcome you to a very unique series, Gardening in Abdullah. And before I start my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my YouTube channel. So, give Abdullah, please give a little intro to our new subscribers.
Okay. My name is Abdullah Teek. As I said into my introduction, I think you should just give a link on the video to just tell them who I am.
So, what's you're going to told us about?
So today my topic is on snake plant. This plant is really cool, and it is the plant which I bought because it is the plant of my beginners. But the people recommended me to grow this because when I started.
It's one of the basics.
Yeah, it's one of the basics.
So, what's its uniqueness? What is its special ability?
Can your camera get closer?
Yes.
It is approved by NASA, and NASA says that it cleans the air. And I have also searched about it, and people really say that it cleans the air. And people, because it is said that 6 to 8 plants are enough for a person in a room.
Is it a purifier?
Yeah, it's a purifier.
Wow, it's also environment friendly.
Yeah, it's also.
So how feet or inches or centimeter it's long?
So it is dependent upon the pot, but it can get up to 12 inches long, and its average height is 8 inch.
So so in which country it is grown or it is available?
It is mostly available in every country, but it was found in West Africa and Nigeria.
So what's its names in scientifically and?
So the names are quite funny. So can you please get closer? Can you
please just?
Its plants are its names are really funny. So it is from the Sansevieria family, and it is commonly called snake plant.
Yes.
And can you please get closer so that
people
can see it, please?
Yes, I have gone it.
So it's from the family of Sansevieria, and it is snake plant in India and in Pakistan. I'm talking about the subcontinent. It is also called mother-in-law tongue. I don't know why they say it, but it is called mother-in-law tongue.
So there's a myth about it that it is a bad or good luck. Please differentiate between it to our viewers and subscribers.
Yeah, people say that it comes bad luck or good luck. It's nothing like that. It's a plant, and take it like a plant.
Wow, what a kind of information. So what should be the size of pot for this such kind of plant or species?
If you want to get pups like this, like these here, and
yes.
So I think 12 inches pot is good for it. But if you have a little bit shortage of a pot, give this at least 8-inch pot.
So what type of soil is it necessary?
It likes well drained soil, which drains quickly. You can mix a little bit cocoa peat in it or peat moss. I was going to tell all about that.
Good. So how much water should we give it?
It needs a limited amount of water.
Please can you tell us about in liters?
Liters. Give it water 2 times. In summer 2 times, and in winter 1 time.
Wow. So what should can we eat it?
Yeah, people ask a lot about it. Can we eat it? If you eat it, it will cause nausea or vomiting. So I will recommend not to eat it.
Wow. So how many types of it has this species?
It has different species of 70 types. So here's the thing. It is from the family of Sansevieria, and it is a snake plant. Okay, it's the family of Sansevieria, and it is snake plant. It has some cells which match from the Sansevieria family, and this snake plant has 70 species. I'm not saying that Sansevieria has 70 species types. I'm saying that snake plant has 70 types.
So how much Sansevieria has types?
Sansevieria, there are thousands in Sansevieria family. There are thousands of.
Wow. So how do you know that your snake plant is healthy?
By looking on its leaves. I always check that. Here, please come closer.
Yes.
As you can see, there's a little bit burning on it, and that indicates that it's not in a good condition. So guys, before I talked about the names which I just said that is the mother-in-law tongue, it is called the mother-in-law tongue because of its height and thickness and sharpness. People say that it's mother-in-law tongue because it is 12 inches long, 12 feet long, and because of spikes.
So very thank you, Abdullah, for your kind time.
I want to show that how we can divide pups also, if you have some
Oh,
time.
yes. What a we all our viewers want to know about it.
So guys, if you want to collect pups out of this, it gives 2 pups every year. So, it gives a pup and it gives a pup. So,
What is a pup?
pup. Pup is a small baby of its own.
It's a kind of another plant species.
Yeah, it's a baby. It's a baby plant. So, to collect a pup, do it like that, and then take out the root ball.
Wow. Yes.
So, here's the beautiful root ball. I've just shifted it, as you can see. So, put your hammer or something like that here, please.
It would cut it.
Yeah. If I want to see, please come closer.
Yes.
It is connected to this plant. It gets nutrition when it's a baby. Just it gets a lot of stuff dealing with these kind of things.
Its roots, I think, very strong.
Yeah, because it is connected to its father, and I don't think you can tell in a plant that it is your.
It would be break.
No, don't worry. Just do it. Just see its roots.
Wow.
And if you want to repot it, simply, oh, there was another pup, okay. So if you want to shift it, don't say that,
It also reproduce.
yeah, every year. I'm saying that, I'm going to, okay, see, here I'm doing this. Taking the plant back in here, putting some sand again here. Please see it very quickly. Again, putting it back somewhere. A little bit dapping on the,
To maintain the air pockets.
yeah, so that the air pockets don't. You have seen that.
So what would you do with the pup?
Yeah, so I'm going to tell you. You can first like this. Don't need to worry that my plant should die. Just do it as the way you like.
But there's a myth that when you transplant a plant, its roots are aired.
No, that's not true. It's said that the roots would not get a lot of water. It's a hardy plant. Don't you worry, guys. It's really a hardy plant.
It is found in deserts, I think.
No, it's not found in desert because this plant is not. It
But-
doesn't like a lot of heat.
But it looks like a rough and tough plant, which are often found like cactus and other species in deserts.
It is not that if a plant is tough, it must be in the desert.
So thank you. So please help.
Wait a minute. I have to put this into back here. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 plants.
It is also another pub which you have transplanted in that.
Yeah, it's the one which I collected from this one.
Wow.
So guys, I'm going to show you something really cool. So come with me. So guys, you must be thinking what kind of plant it is. So I'm giving you a whole day. Think about it. Please come closer. Please
Yes.
zoom into its leaf and tell me which plant it is. And I say that this plant, it's a fruit. It gives a fruit and it's quite juicy. So please say that.
Thank you, Abdullah, for your precious time to tell us viewers the facts and figures behind snake plant. Thank you.